there was a jellyfish.
Oh! Oh, we saw there was a squid. Oh my god! Ooh, early morning. We have to check out of our hotel here in Hanoi. We're gonna grab a quick breakfast downstairs, and then we're getting picked up because we have a 3-hour car ride to Halong Bay. And then we have our Halong Bay cruise today and tomorrow. So we made it to Halong Bay. You can see all the junks in the distance. Me and Caroline got a really good rate and deal through this travel company, and I think we're like on a newer ship. Now we're just waiting to go get taken to the boat. Linda at Classy Travel.
Linda, listen.
Linda, listen, honey. You came through. This is fantastic. Wow, look at those mountains.
I can't believe it.
We kind of got caught up in the view and we forgot that it's lunchtime now, so we're gonna go eat lunch. I'm like, come on. We have a new friend, Joanna, from Portugal.
Featured. Yeah.
I'm flabbergasted at the beauty that is this place. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. We just climbed 100 steps. Everyone's a little
I'm
spent.
not tired at all.
Apparently, so this cave was discovered in 2007 by fishermen. This took millions of years to make. Millions! Millions! Gosh, that's just so crazy to be in the presence of something like that. This is pretty cool. Our kayaks are right there. Let's go kayaking. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro for the kayaking.
Sur ta chevelure profonde aux acres parfums. Sur ta chevelure profonde au fin. Mer odorante et vagabonde aux flots bleus sereins. Comme mer odorante et vagabonde aux flots bleus sereins. Comme
Awesome. That was so awesome. It was so cool to get up close to the islands and the cliffs and hear the wildlife.
Very loud.
Way to go. Alright, we're gonna wash up and what's next? The cooking class?
And sunset.
And sunset. So,
Oh,
but it's time.
banana outfit.
It's time. Ho ho ho. Here it is. The bananas are making their debut. Oh. It turned out better than we expected. It looks pretty good when we're like standing next to each other.
We out here.
I'm so proud of us. We're taking a break from the cooking class because the sunset's incredible.
Sorry, no, sorry.
Is it love? Is it love? Is it love? Oh, I love her so. I just had to go. Oh, I love her so. And I'm sorry, girl.
That was really fun. We're at dinner. The captain came and talked to us. The whole crew came out and did this whole fun choreographed dance, and now they're serving dinner.
And now you.
We just finished dinner, and right here outside on the tender, they set up fishing poles for us to do squid fishing. Let's check it out. Oh! Oh, we saw there was a squid. Oh my god! So, it's near the end of the night. We had an amazing dinner. Did some squid fishing. One of the guys that we're sailing with caught a squid. I'm just here on the top deck, admiring the stars. I wish I could show it to you guys, but it's really beautiful. You can see the outlining of the islands, and it's been great. But I'm gonna go down and get some rest because we have an early morning tomorrow, and then we have to head back to Hanoi, and we have some crazy traveling the next couple days. So I should rest up. Vietnam has made me go bananas!
Sur ta chevelure profonde aux acres parfums. Sur ta chevelure profonde au fin. Mer odorante et vagabonde.